Today, I'm going to show you how to add a recent posts widget to your BigCommerce store homepage using DropInBlog. So, once you're logged into your BigCommerce account, navigate to the left-hand sidebar here. Find Storefront, then click on it. An extended menu will slide in, and under Storefront, you can see that you've been directed to the Themes page. In this page, under Current Themes, click on Customize here. You'll be directed to your BigCommerce page builder. This is where you'll be able to customize your site. It's a fairly straightforward drag and drop system. We'll just make sure here up top that we are editing the homepage. If you click up here on this drop down, you will see all of your pages. And we are currently on homepage. Here on the left are where your widgets will be. Just scroll down to find the recent posts widget under custom. There it is. We'll just hover over it a bit to make sure this is our DropInBlog recent posts widget. And it is, in fact, our recent posts widget from DropInBlog. Now in the preview, we'll just scroll down as we want to put our widget right at the bottom over here. Now let's just click and drag this recent posts widget. Just click on it. Drag and drop over here on this drop widgets here section right at the bottom. Great. Its settings will appear here on the left. And you can see that you can edit the section heading over here. Label it how you want. You can change the number of posts to display. We currently have 2 posts at a time. And you can display posts either as a list or posts like with a thumbnail. And finally, you can also filter this widget to only show a certain category or certain categories of posts. We'll leave everything as it is for this tutorial. Change the settings as you like, and once you're happy with your customizations, click on Save on the upper right over here. Great, changes have been confirmed. Then just to the right of Save, make sure to also click on Publish. On the pop-up, click Publish again, and we'll just wait for it to publish. Great, changes have been saved. Now here we are currently in the desktop preview. We'll scroll down and see our recent posts over here, successfully integrated. And you can check it out on other platforms as well, like a tablet. There is, or a mobile. Everything looks great and it is uniform. Now to check the live site, just navigate here to the bottom left and click on the store icon. And your live site will open up in a new tab. Scroll down. And there's your recent posts. Let's click on one to check it out. Great, let's have a look around. Everything looks to be working accordingly. And that's how you add a recent posts widget to your BigCommerce store homepage using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!